I'll show you other animals. Also, go. I'll show you my aunt's pigs. Where are they? I am so scared to move.
This is small ones. See the big one. That's it. Carefully go. Carefully go.
Oh, my God! Look, there's a button over here.
Button?
Yeah.
Oh, leave. That's okay.
Whoa! How long is it?
Come on top of this.
It's a dead end.
Where is the ice? Where is the?
What?
I'll send it to Peppa Pig.
She's not real, but
So what do you name this pigs?
nothing I'm doing.
This is Dadu,
No.
Daddy pig.
No, that.
That is Mommy pig. What happened? He's sleeping.
But where's George? George should be here.
Oh my God! See,
Let me see.
where is he sleeping?
Too scared. Hey! But I'm not going to take a picture. You look at me.
She wants to play with you.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. What? She's so smelly.
Pigs are like that, no? They like to be dirty.
Do anyone give them a bath? Where the poop is very much. You can already see a poop over there. Just squashed. Is this for breakfast? Yeah. Yeah. I'm never going to eat that ever in my life. What is that breakfast? Tell me the name.
Junk food.
No, tell me the full name.
I don't know. It's just junk food. They eat all.
What?
They like to be dirty. They
Like to be smelly?
This is one
This is one chubby chick.
chubby pig. This is
Chubby pig.
the small girl, Peppa Pig.
No, she's not. Peppa Pig is even smaller.
Then George.
George is even more smaller. Peppa Pig is still here. George is still her leg.